Pastor Kayanja, I did not say all of this because I gave you decency. And I'm not defaming you in doing this. I am only correcting the wrong that you just told your congregation.
This week on Monday, I was telling people, I said for over 3-4 years,
there was a gentleman who was often talking about me, continuously talking about Miracle Center.
That one you see, like the name of Ojok Morris. That is the phone of the pastor there in Wise. He's the one who uses that number. That is the plotting. That was their planning. That's why, child of God, sometimes when you be quiet and let the truth speak for you.
Pastor Kayanja, tell the public the truth. There is another science that I would like to employ. Since you are interested in science, science will look out for this. Is the science I want. Can they network your phone with the boys? Boys that called you at midnight, you text them at 1 a.m. That's the science I want. Since I would like to see the graphs and the pointers. This one called this one, called this one, called this one. Before that is produced, I have it here. I have a police report that tells us, tells everyone. And you exchange text messages and WhatsApp messages. So tell us, what's the content of that? Because you are only showing this number, code that number, code this number, they code that number. I can go an extra mile. For me and for the police report, they are not saying this number, code that number to this number. The police report says this message, which reads like this, was sent to this boy, and this is the content. So if you want to take this to that level, I can display the messages on the screen. And this is not me fabricating it. It is the police report signed off by the police.